Took a walk among the stars tonight. Found myself a washing colored light. It felt like spirits had awakened me. This carnival of animals had taken me. Close your eyes and understand. When I felt the change, it startled me. This carnival of animals is part of me. Is all I see.
Hello everyone, welcome to the stream tonight. Hope you're having a good night, or day, or morning, or whatever time of day it is for you. Hope it's going well. Today was a fairly decent day. I was stuck with a brain problem at work. But then I figured it out. It was one of those things that's been bugging me since yesterday, and I finally figured it out. So I got it. It worked. Anyways. But yeah, there is a storm going through Texas tonight. So if the internet's having issues, we could blame it on that. Or it's just the ISP being its regular self. I've had 0 drop frames so far. So hopefully it sticks up fairly decently. Usually I get a few in the beginning if it's going to have some during the stream. So hopefully that's a good sign. And yeah. But I'm here at the top of the sugarcane. It is quite a ways down. It is kind of always fun to do. It just keeps raining down. Oh, that's right. That's not an empty hand. Apparently I had a provider module on the ground. So I did a few things. The logistics laser stuff. I did finally sit down and watch Direwolf's videos about that, where he went over it on his Forgecraft stuff. Yeah, so I know how it works. The thing we were missing is one of these nodes. So I put a node down, and then I programmed the inventory node to go to it. It is set for blacklist, empty blacklist, so everything. And they're just the provider ones. That way, when we come in here, we see everything. Now, I think we do have to click on these or something for it to get all of the inventories. And I don't know if that's just a result of how I set up or did these, because what I did is I did one and then did the control middle click to get the NBT version of the item, and then I was placing that everywhere. And apparently in the NBT it remembers which node it's connected to, so by default these nodes only have a range of 8 blocks, but like it can go all the way over there because of the way I did it. That's definitely a creative only thing. It's not going to be able to be done in survival. So might want to fix that. But yeah, anyway, so the deal is you get the controller and it needs to be hooked up to power. And then these other nodes, there's the crafting station, the inventory nodes. They all need to be connected through the basic nodes. The basic nodes, you connect them, so holding down shift right click on the node with a wrench, and then you can, connect or disconnect the associated other things. So if I redo all the connections here, it should stop and tell me when it's too far. Alright, all these ones are close enough. That's fine. This guy over here. These guys. Yeah, so that's too far. So I guess that just means I need to break it and then get the my JEI is gone. This happened to me earlier. I don't know what it is. I had to disconnect, open single player, exit single player, and then reconnect back on the server, and then it came back. So I don't know what's causing that. It's been doing that. It did that like months ago. But that was, like I said, months ago. Like February time frame. It was months ago. Alright, so cancel, single player, open the world. Do 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 do. Come on, let me in my world. Is the console saying anything? No. It had a bunch of potion recipes registered for immersive engineering, because you can use the mixer to make potions. So now my Astral Sorcery client cache has been cleared. Excuse me. And here we go. No, not yet. How about now? Okay, can I go in? Oh, here it comes. Yes, no, yes, no. And oh, it says starting JEI. I should relaunch. Let's see. Can I relaunch CurseForge and see if there's an update to JEI? Alright. There's my JEI. It seems... kind of seems off-centered though, actually. Anyways, let's go back to the server. See if that fixed it at all. It is saving all my chunks, it says. I appreciate that. Save all the chunks. Alright, multiplayer, Dr. Morg server. Oh, over here, what's happening? Okay. Let's see, go to my pack on CurseForge. It's just a local pack, it's not up on CurseForge yet. That should be changing soon. I am getting ready to upload it for beta testing. So, although I don't know if it's going to be public beta or just private for a bit, I'm not sure. I do need to test to see if more recent versions of Forge work, because there's a couple mods that want Forge past 3610, but oh, there's a new preview version of Optifine, but it's still Forge 3610. I was hoping that they would change that. I don't know if that's something that, like, what the Optifine's emphasis on updating Forge versions is, but we've already got a handful of mods that are like, no, it needs to be at least 3611 or 3613, which is annoying, but until I get a new video card, I think I'm gonna be stuck with Optifine on this pack, which is annoying. Looks like I just dropped some frames. 254 of them to be exact, so apologize if you missed a bit, but we'll keep an eye on it. If it gets too unstable again, we're gonna have to call it early. I hate calling it early. Alright, and we've got our JEI. Okay, perfect. Let's get inventory node. Inventory node. It's this guy. Come on. Turn on GD cheat mode. Give me my inventory node. Boom. Alright, this guy. And this guy. Oops. Okay. I don't have one. Okay. Oh, just my regular one. Okay. Boom and boom. Alright. You can connect there? Nope. Okay, so I need another node. Let's grab one of these. Regular middle click. Oh, I need to... I want it high in the air. Boop. Alright. Now you just right click, shift right click somewhere else, and then it will disconnect that. Now can I connect these? Boop. And this guy, boop. Alright, we are going to need these guys on it. Alright, can I fly, please? There we go. Alright, all those did connect up, right? Fine, so it's just this guy over here that needs to be replaced. Yeah, too far. Well, that's the wrong one anyways. Come on, up. On here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. That might be too far again. Alright, so let's come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's go here. Oop. And we will click this guy. Oh. That doesn't count as 8, or that only counts as... That counts as 9, doesn't it? Right. Up here. That means this one needs 2 spots closer. Come on. Stay clicked. Alright. Boom. There we go. And I guess a better structure for this would be like underneath, I guess. But yeah, we'll see. Okay, did I add... Again, provider modules are in there. So in here, we should now see everything. Yay! Now there is like sorting things you can do with it. So if I go at logistics, so the extractor and the inserter, you can say I want to extract everything, and then on the inserters, you can have them in the chest that say, hey, I only want to insert ores in here, or I only want to insert, ingots or whatever, and that's the tag inserter that allows you to use the tags. The mod, I guess, is so like you can have all the X and Y hello things together, that sort of thing. Oh, great. It says I have strength. Apparently I don't have all the strength. I'll get the torch back. I think that's all. Alright, everything else I think is up and running. And like I've said in the past few times, most of the pack I think is ready. I didn't do any work on the quest book. I said there was a couple things I wrote down that I needed to do. I didn't get that done. We could probably hop over to single player and get that done. There is... I think there was a way to do HQM on the server. Up. No. Okay, yeah. No editing on the servers. Version. Hardcore questing mode version is version. I don't know what that means. Yeah. Have to figure that out. So yeah, let me pull up my notes. Let's go to single player. Alright, disconnect. The notes say... Actually, what's the change log on pre-13 for... I don't know which ones of these were in Crew 12, so. Is this the changelog from G7? And this is G8 pre-13, so I don't know what all was changed. But we've got, I guess I'd have to compare them. Anyways, compare them later. Look at the notes for now. Okay, quest. Check dependency for the Starlight Infuser. Let's do that. Yeah, so only 54 or 254 dropped frames, so it's just that one little blurb a while ago. About 0.5% total, which lower the better in dropping frames. Can I have my world, please? Alright, so this is my local world. This is what you've seen in the past little bits. Alright, show quests, Starlight Infuser. Starlight Infuser. Okay, so that wants to be Starlight Infuser. So it needs a celestial altar. The rest of this is easy enough to get. Okay. So celestial altar. Okay. HQM edit. We are now editing mode. Okay. Quest requirements. Boom. 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 Save. Okay. What's the next guy? Nope. This one. Okay. Alright, we did that. Renewable, not monster kills. That was there to get the loot from it. We don't have random loot hooked up just yet. We do need to figure out some sort of random loop thing. Creative item description, starting inventory, front page, logo, and description. Alright, well, let's go creative items. Boom, boom, boom. Getting all the craftable creative items is an end goal for this pack. You don't have to stop once you get them. Obviously, you can, of course, have fun with them. Alright, that's a good enough one. So creative item description is there. Save that. Front page, logo, and description. So logo, I don't know. But the description here, we can do this. Exigence is, as you can tell, a skyblock pack. There are some recipe. Hang on, I need to look over here real quick. Oop. Right. There are some recipe changes and tweaks to make it harder and create some moniker. I want to say moniker and I want to say it right. I need to know what's the correct spelling of a moniker. Moniker with a K. Name. Is that the one I want? I don't think that's the word I want. Yeah, it essentially means nickname. Can also be spelled C-K-E-R instead of K-E-R. Yeah, that's not the one I was thinking of. It might be the word I said, but that's not the definition I was thinking of, so I may need a different word. Some form of progression. Between the mods. Or some of the mods. Some of the mods. Alright, so we do need a logo. That's where it goes, obviously. Now, I know Dr. Morg said he was going to look at doing things like getting some logos and background for the things. I'll have to reach out to him and see what his progress is, if he made any, and if he so wants to, or if there's something because I haven't really thought much about it. So I don't know if I'd be the best to make it either. But at any rate, we should be able to work on it. Reputation. Do we want to do any reputation stuff? I kind of don't know if I need to, really. I mean, I could just delete all. Can I just delete all the reputations? Yeah, and then it's not there. So if I hit save, that's gonna get rid of them. So do I really want to? Well, what would I... Because usually what the reputation in HQM is for is to unlock quests. So, like, once you get high enough reputation in one thing, you can unlock the next, like, thing. I don't think we need to. Lightning. I believe that was in-game lightning, not real-life lightning. Because there are those tough mobs, crazy mobs that spawn lightning sounds. I guess thunder. That's what a lightning sound is it's called thunder. Alright, my thing is clear. Yeah, let's kill some more Forgotten, because that's kind of fun. There's the spawner. Alright, redstone. Just one spawning, huh? Don't go in the hole. That's like the annoying part. Three, four. They have the eeriest noises, I tell you what. Alright. Haste, absorption, jump boost. Don't want them. But yeah, so 900, or not 900, 796 forgotten. He gets 9 of the fragments, colors light green. No, it's not colors light green fragment. Huh. Okay. Yellow hearts. So the heart canisters, that's right, I did. I tweaked it so the blue ones you get from, or green ones, blue ones I think. Well, whichever one, so the yellow ones you can get from boss mobs, so the wither, that sort of thing. The dragon I think is the green ones. And the blue ones you can get from the Vindicators, so you're going to likely need to set up a raid farm for that. Because that's probably the best way you're going to get Vindicators. No, not Vindicators. Evokers. That's right. The Vindicators buddies. Okay. What else do I have in my notes? Starting inventory. We got front page description, not logo, but description. So starting inventory, there was a different mod, I think, that allowed us to have starting inventory. Let me see what it's called. Oh, there is a bunch of updates. JEI is not one on the list. So, Applied Energistics, Architecture, Armor Plus, Bag of Yurting, Bigger Reactors, Cloth Config, API, Crash Utilities, DP Anvil, Extreme Sound Muffler, Geckolib, which I knew about. I don't know if there's a new one since then, but that's one that I can't go upgrade because it requires a higher Forge version. Jaupka, which is just another ore processing compatibility attempt. Cube.js, libx. They have like nightly builds, so you wait for a new release from them. I'll have to check. Linking Books is the Fabric version, I think. Mahosu Kai has an update. Reliquary needed a newer Forge version. Runalik was the Fabric. One Probe and the U-Team Core, Useful Bass Packs, and Useful Railroads need updated Forge versions. So that's why I want to see if I can get a better Forge version to work properly with Optifine, so we can update at least a couple of Forge versions and update those mods. Alright, well that answered the question. That's the other question. Starting inventory. There was one that it needed. It essentially did it used game stages. Do I even have that in here anymore? Game stages. I don't see game stages in here, so let's look here. Starting. No. Game stage. Game stage with a space. There we go. Game stages. Yeah, okay. So game stages, there was something in here. There was something that we had that allowed for starting inventory. Was it a QGS thing? It might have been. Let me look. Actually, here, let's just use this here. QJS inventory. Do. Come on, can I click? It won't let me click. Come on. Let me click. There we go. Do. Starting inventory mod. Initial inventory. Starter kit. Well, initial inventory is on CurseForge. And it has a 1.16 version. Someone back in December said, please give it the 1.16.4 tag. It worked in 1.16.4. What does it say? How does it work? Okay. Oh, it's a craft tweaker thing. Does it have to do craft tweaker, or is it... So that's the question. Does it have to be with craft tweaker? Let me look here. If I go here, open, sorry, and you all can't see this, sorry. Startup scripts. Boop, boop, doop, boop, doop, doop. Inventory. I want to say CubeJS can do it, but oh, yeah. There is. It's written right there in the thing. Okay. Apparently it's the PDF version. Can I see the PDF, please? Apparently I cannot. That is an export. No, I don't want export. There, CubeJS Wiki. Here we go. Do 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 do. Example of pre-made scripts on the wiki. Looking for the Fabric version. Click here. Blah blah blah. Go here. Okay. Yes. Leave CurseForge. All right. There was. There was something. Get the export in a PDF. Let's see. Is it doing the thing? Open with Firefox. Let's see. It's not wanting to. Again. Okay, can I look at my downloads? Okay. Boop, doop, boop, boop. Open with. We'll try Chrome. There we go. Starting items. There we go. Requires game stages mod. This script adds items on first time player joins checking game stages. That is what I want. So it's in the examples. So let's just go over there. No, can I come here? Examples. Starting items. Okay. And this needs to be in what? Script? Server script, I think. Let's try. Sorry, let's get this over here. Give me just a second. Nope, cancel that. I want save as. Save. Yeah, right there. Starting inventory. Okay. Here, let me. Oh dear. Let me show you. Right there. So this is the script that has. So they say give a stone sword and give a stone pickaxe with data 10 and an apple 30 of them. And then add starting items game stage if they don't have it already. So I do need this game stage mod, so I'll have to add that. But there was a lightning. I want to see if I can find the super dude. Because there should be somebody here that's overpowered. And that's what the lightning is from. I don't see overpowered, dude. Oh, I got a blitz. Yeah, I don't see overpowered guy. Oh, maybe you? Nope, you're a... You might be him. He had Pigpen. Dust clouds. Alright, well I don't see him. Let's get rid of everybody. Okay, so we're gonna have to reload the pack to add in the game stages mod. So let's get that downloaded. Let's get that set to go. Game stages, which is, where's my thing? Close that. Okay. Curse, Forge, mods. Game stages. Game stages. Files. Download. Fixed this, fixed that. Alright. Keep. Show in folder. Alright, alright, let me get the folders set up. Which one is the right one? Not that one. This one. Okay. And so move there. Copy. Okay. So, yeah. Feel free to take a break while this reloads. You're not going to miss much, honestly. And should this work, I'll need to add that to the server, the curse package, and all that. Okay, so quit. You can be back there, so you'll at least have something to look at while that's going. Launch. Is it working yet? Nope, it crashed. Sometimes it crashes right on starting and I don't know why, and you just restart it. Okay, so here's the thing. You can see it. Let it do its thing, and then it's going to switch from FML, early loading progress, to there we go. Now we maximize that. All right, so that is going to be a bit. So yeah, so go ahead, get some drinks, run to the restroom if you need to, grab a snack or two, whatever. I will be here waiting. I'm going to mute the mic though, but I'll be here. So don't go too far. Alright, let's log in. Now it should automatically give us the apple and sword and pickaxe. Because we shouldn't have the game stage already. I wonder if I can set it up to include a random... Well, no, that should have been there already. A random ability totem. Like, is that a thing in ability totems? Everlasting abilities common. Always drop abilities. The maximum rarity of totems to spawn when a player first logs in. 1, yeah. Oh, how many totems combining a crafting grid produce a new random totem? I did not know you could do that. Well, now begs the question, do we want to keep that? I don't know. Okay, well, so I shouldn't have to change that. There's an error. What's in my error? Can't add game stage starting items. Game stages mod isn't loaded. What? That's why I reloaded. Hang on, which... Okay, starting inventory is 2.6. 0.2.6, that's the one I did. Right? And then, hang on, I don't know what's over there. Yeah, game stages. It was in there. Is it not in here? Loader mods. I see game stages. No. Where did I put it then? That's not the one I put it in. Oh, I put it in the server version! Well, at least that worked. Alright, well, let's get the quest book. What else are we going to have in the starting item? Well, here, let's do this. Alright. Give... Can I get my thing here? Boop. Boop, ba-doop, boop, boop, boop. Alright, anything else we want to give them? Starter house we already have. We could give them a fancy starting house. We could give them... yeah, so you're going to get... not there. You're going to get this stuff. Not these, but down here. Oh, an inventory pet, maybe. Come on. So, if I give him a meta pet, it turns into... come on. So the meta pet will turn into a random one. I get the enchanting table pet. Oh, yeah, it's an enchanting table. Huh, that's cool. I need to give it lapis nuggets though. Lapis nuggets. Like, do you have to be by bookshelves or something? There are no bookshelves in here. Well, what does it say? Enchant, right click. Can you even enchant these? Yeah, it'll take enchantments. What up? Maybe you do need bookshelves. I don't know. It doesn't. Okay, we'll just do a book. Be gone, Flux. What is that? Enchant an item at 0 quanta. Alright, well. At inventory, we want the meta pet. Oh. Yeah, I don't think we need that bit. But let's do this. Alright, save. Now we need to move this over to the local thing, not just the local server, but the local actual client. Oh, which means I need to reload the pack again. Sorry, guys! Reloaded the pack. Oh, wait, I should have tested the thing. Well, it should give me it again. Yeah, so I should have 2 quest books and 2 meta pets. Do 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 do. All right, quit. Add. Game stages. Go. Launch. Alright, so we'll wait for that to launch up again. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. But yeah, it's another, I don't know, anywhere from 0 to 30 minutes, which usually is less than 10. But I've seen it more than 5 recently, so. No guarantees. I said over here. And go big. Oh, you're not even. Sorry, you weren't seeing my thing. Yeah, you were looking at nothing. I meant to be showing that. But yeah. Anyways. Oh, I'm dropping a few more frames. It doesn't say unstable yet, but it's up to 313 and it was 254, so 60-ish. Which 30 frames a second is just over about 2 seconds. I think it's technically it was 59 frames, so just under 2 seconds. Now whether they were consecutive 2 seconds or if it was split up into different things. But yeah, my bit rate's on the low side right now. Although the bitrate I'm sending is 2600, but the dashboard, which doesn't refresh as often as you'd hope, says 1884. Okay, just reloaded and I'm at 24, so seems to have been stabilized here recently. I'm wondering if I should try and find someone to make those images for me. Because I would want a background image for the whatever this title menu screen is. I need a background image or logo or whatever for the quest book. Like the title, I think I showed that already. Well, let's see here. I've got... Where's the title? Is it not in there? Maybe it's in my downloads. It would have been an older one. This guy? Yeah, this guy. So let me zoom in here a bit. There. All right. Boom. So that, I was thinking as the title for the screen here. So that would be up where that Minecraft is. And then the background, we need to get some sort of something. I don't know if, I mean, we could probably do like a real life image somewhere. We could do a Minecraft landscape or something. Yeah. I don't know what to put there. And then the other one, so in here, should be let's see if the thing works. Let me get on my thing. A lot of stuff is going. QGIS is going crazy. Oh yeah, this world is the one that has the crafting station registered in it, so I don't know. I don't know what the best way to do that is. If there's a way to like take it out per se. Or how do I save the world so that it stops doing that? That's a good question. But yeah. Yeah, but I need some art, whether it's, I mean, I could go on I could run around outside with my camera and take pictures of things, but don't know. Don't know what I'd take a picture of. Maybe I could get someone to build like a floating island or something. And then we could screenshot it and use that. That would seem kind of fun. No errors. That's good. And I have a second pet and another quest book, which is exactly what I wanted. Alright. A pig. Bonus hunger saturation. Can eat poisoned foods. Gives you pork chops. Is off. And give items toggle is a sneak right click. Now gives items. Aha. I need carrots though. Come on. Carrots. Come on. Cheaty cheat mode on. Alright, what is this guy? Slippery when wet is a squid. I can sink down, and so water breathing, underwater vision, and a swim boost. Okay, I don't necessarily need that. I like the idea of the pig. I should start asking around. Maybe I can find someone to build, like, go into creative and build a cool looking sky island in the pack, and then we could use that. Yeah, so if anybody either live or later is watching, and it hasn't happened yet, obviously, is interested, reach out to me and let me know. Like Discord or Twitch or Twitter, I guess, would work. Email. My email is just my name at Gmail. Yeah. But I will look. I do want to see what Dr. Mark has in mind. Because he said he was gonna try and get a background image. So the two things I would want is a logo to put here, which could be just a smaller version of the main background image. But I would love to see, like, maybe like something about, well, maybe bigger than this, but like with a vantage point a ways back so that you can kind of see it, and it's kind of this floating island kind of thing, and it's got, you know, the like one of these altars, maybe a couple other setups, like a blood altar setup, and stuff like that. Astral sorcery, like all the stuff. I would love that, and then we could just screenshot it, use that as the art. I would be willing to compensate for someone doing that. I don't know what though, but that's probably negotiable. Yeah. I don't know what the going rate for an art like that would be. Like a Minecraft build, I don't know. I don't know, honestly. I don't know. I mean, if it's awesome, I would pay lots of money for it. But if it's just like the starter house with land around it and things like this set up, no, I can do that myself. But like, yeah, some artistic something or other. Yeah. Yeah, like in D&D, you know, there's like those floating cities that like the super powerful wizards or whatever will make. They'll kind of make this floating city thing around their house or whatever. Something like that. That would be cool. And so it's got like this big old blob of earth underneath, and it's got, you know, a few different builds on top. I wonder... if I could like do something like that with the prefabs. I don't know. Let's look at the prefabs. You can go away, I don't need you. You can go away too, I don't need you. That means I don't need you. The carrots. I wonder if I need to get hungry? There we go. Oh, he ate a thing. Are you gonna give me a pork chop now? Can eat poison foods, bonus hunger saturation. Can I give myself hunger for a bit? Giver. No, effect, give. Effect, give, ZpprSprk, hunger, for 10 seconds, and 10 amplifier. No, that's not a thing. $20 seconds. Is this like restoring? Or do I have a saturation from something else? Like, is it the pig? Oh, yeah. And then I can eat poison, so spider eye. Yeah, it didn't poison me. Pufferfish. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I have nausea. Sorry, look away. Okay, so better. Yeah, interesting. A furnace? Smelt first smeltable item in hotbar. Ooh. Let's get something smeltable. Gold ore. Ho ho! Now I need coal. Nope. In here. I can type coal. Coal nugget. Nugget. There we go. Alright, gold. It's 1 gold nugget per item, which, I mean, makes sense. Coal nugget? And you get 8 of that. Okay, yeah, so that's fine. Huh. I like these. Oh, I'm not in creative. Okay. Alright. We can stop messing with those. We don't need them. Alright, we do want to put this away. It was in here. Yeah, a forgotten, and then these are more forgottens. Okay, so I can rebuild it if I need to. Okay. I don't know what kind of deadline I'd set. Yeah, I'll have to reach out to some people and see if I can see if anyone has some interest. Because I like that idea. I guess if you get, I don't know. I need to stop soliciting people's services that I don't even know. I don't even know what I want. I'm like the perpetual consumer. I don't know what I want, but I know I don't want that. Yellow. And then a little hard container. Rotten heart. Do not eat. Extra life. Ooh. Cookies, fermented spider eye, pumpkin pie, and beetroot. Interesting. Group regen. I like that. That's cool. Heart of diamond they get from Stonelings. A Pickering. That I suppose works. But yeah, these hearts here, so the green I think it's the blue hearts you can get from the evokers. Yeah, so if you want the blue hearts, you're gonna have to get some evokers. And that's a vanilla mechanic that allows you to get them, so I'm not gonna add anything in for that. I wonder, is there like a setting? So in here, let's go back. Fig, Undergarden. The Undergarden. Nope, I don't see the Undergarden. Huh. Server config. Is it in here? No. Where is the Undergarden config file? Is that not a thing? Like there is no Undergarden config file? The Undergarden. Bosses. Can I get the bosses? Oh, they're mini boss. A masticator? Oh, so the Forgotten is a mini boss. What's a masticator? Oh, he's a big guy. Not finished and does not spawn. Okay, that's why you don't see him. I can see that because according to what it says it does, it will run towards any mob it sees and attack it. Which probably produces a lot of lag. Alright, well, let's move to the mini bosses. So, Forgotten Guardian. Only spawn in the catacombs, drops the Forgotten Nuggets. Yeah, is there... Is there a way to configure it? Do, 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 do. Alright, config. Did someone ask for a config? Config files needed? Question mark. Do, 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 do. Alright, well I think that's, yeah. I don't see a config file. There's some people complaining about not having one because they wanted to do the immersive portals thing. But apparently it's not working because of Bedrock. Yeah. Okay. Anyways. Green heart log. What is a green heart log? What is a green heart log? Is this more wood? Green heart logs. Like, how do you make them? Slimy logs. Yeah, there's no recipe for them. I mean, I would need to change that, add it to the list of all the logs. Was there any other logs added? Lane. Alright, blood shroom. Blood shroom. Sky root. And green heart. Blood shroom. Yeah, let's go look for those. Nether. Okay. Execute in the Nether. Run TP. Okay, congealed blood. The slimy grass stuff. Is there like a at Tinker's sapling? Just the slimy ones. Skyroot sapling, Ender slime sapling. And blood shroom. Ah. I wonder. Ah. Yeah, these dirts or grasses we'll have to add to the torque blacklist. Bone meal? Yeah, blood shroom stem and slimy wart. Yeah. So those are some planks we'll have to get to do. Let's do the end. GP 0, 100, 0. Alright, I want a slime island. Locate at T construct and slime island. Yeah, green heart logs. Okay. Yeah. Alright, and then in Lost cities. Alright, locate. Overworld Slime Island. Skyroot logs, yeah, okay. Alright, so I need to add these to the planks. Skyroot, let me grab one of them. Boop. Alright, and there are script versions. Skyroot. Script. Green heart. Script. And bloodshroom. Okay. So they both say log. They say wood. Okay. We want this guy. Planks. Alright, remove. Create pedestals, immersive thermal. Right here. Right, all these. Just that. Okay, that's easy. So T construct, world wood, bloodshroom planks. Construct, world wood, bloodshroom planks. Right, world wood, bloodshroom planks, and then planks. Let's grab one of those and one of these. Green heart planks and skyroot planks. Okay. Skyroot. Green heart. Okay. Now I need to add, they have the stripped. So I need to do sawing stripped and sawing. Yes, sawing and sawing stripped. Okay, so sawing. And I need, do skyroot first. Skyroot logs, yeah. Bloodshroom. All right. Bloodshroom underscore logs. Yeah, and then green heart logs is the last one. Okay, boom. Green heart. Green heart. And then I need to do the stripped. Actually, here, let's do this. So T construct, boop, 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 boop. All right, and then Skyroot goes here. Bloodshroom goes here. Greenheart goes here. And then we want T construct here, 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 here. Okay, and we want stripped Skyroot log from Skyroot log. Skyroot and wood. Skyroot log and Skyroot wood. Bloodshroom. I think it was wooden log rather than stem and hyphia. Assuming hyphia is even the correct pronunciation. And Greenheart. Alright, save that. Reload. Do. Reloaded, no errors. Excuse me, slime. Oh, I froze. Doot 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 doot. Whoa. All right, recipes. I got the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 6, and 8. Perfect. Same for the. Oh, I guess I have them in here already. Yep. Yep. And then it does do the stripping first. Into, yeah, perfect. Alright, any other random planks that we missed from other things? I remember doing those. Those are quark versions, so don't really need to worry about that. Treated wood. Dreamwood. Oh! Ho ho! I need to do Dreamwood too. And Shimmerwood is only made from the Shimmerwood planks, okay. Is there living wood planks as well? Yeah. And mossy is only... Okay. Alright, so living wood, dreamwood. Okay, let's get those. Living wood planks. And dreamwood planks. Boop, 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 boop. At Botania wood. Alright, Dreamwood. Glimmering Dreamwood. Living wood. That is make it shiny. Nothing to do with it. Okay, so you can't turn that into any special planks. That's just kind of like a cutting thing. Okay. Dreamwood leaves. I don't think there's a sapling. No Dreamwood sapling. Okay. So we can ignore those for now. Alright, so we want Dreamwood, which doesn't have a stripped version. So Dreamwood planks and Dreamwood, and then Living Wood planks. Alright. So I need the recipes. So Botania Dreamwood planks. So it's this name of the block. That makes it a lot easier to do. Living wood. Yeah, okay. And then here. Okay. Doo-doo-doo. Nope. Living wood first. Boop. And Dreamwood. Alright, now we want sawing. From Dreamwood. Oh. Living. Oh, come on. Right. Living wood plank. Okay. And I need sawing no stripped. This. From this. Okay. Reload. Oh, I'm not creative. But I'm reloading, so I can't switch modes. Do 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 do. Oh, that's right. I need to fix the grass thing. Hi. But we've got all the bits and bobs there. Okay. Same with that. Perfect. Okay. So I need one of each. Oh, go away. HT construct. Nope. Grass. Oh my goodness. Slimy grass. Sky slimy grass. So there's sky vanilla slime grass. Sky earth slime grass. Sky slime grass. And Sky Ender slime grass, and Ichor slimy Sky Ichor slime grass. Okay, so we've got 3 different types of dirt and 3 different types of grass, or 5 different types of dirt. So there's Ichor, Ender, Sky, Earth, and Vanilla. And then there's the Sky, Ender, and Blood of the 3. Okay, so Ender and Blood. Alright, so that's, we'll have to add that in. I think the grass itself is fine, the saplings are going to be fine. Plant on dirt or slimy dirt to make slimy grass. Is there a recipe for these? Find them in the dungeons. Okay, and then I presume silk touching the things would work too. Enchant, ZpprSprk, silk touch, 1. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and then it just turns into the dirt version. Alright. So that was, let's see, it is in config and then down to twerk in here. Yeah, so this list here. But that's has to reload the pack afterwards. So I'll make sure that works. It is midnight here, so I will end for the evening. But hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. Stick around if you're live. I will find a stream to host and raid, so hopefully we find a good one. And then also, if you do have interest in helping with the art for the pack, let me know. Like I said, maybe it will be like the actual just an art drawing or something, or maybe we could build a Sky Island with the blocks from the pack and then take a screenshot of that. So let me know if you're interested. You can contact me Discord or Twitter or email or just DM me somewhere. Yeah. Anyways, I will find a stream so I'm not just blabbering on about not anything. Now let's go to Beef. Is he muted? No. Now he's muted. Alright. And thank you, Grunt Fodder, for stopping by. I do appreciate it. And thank you for your lurking earlier. I presume you're not just showing up, but you are here lurking. Yeah, so BeefQL, he's doing his Skybees. Let's keep the thing here. Boop. Lurking distantly. That's fine. So yeah, so grab the little blurby there at the end, and we will go say hi to Beef. All right, see you over there.